this is junk, so we're gonna pull it off. We're gonna replace it. Not today, we're gonna replace it. A lot easier than what I thought it was going to be. A little too tough. And yes, I did spray it with lubricant before I started recording. So after consideration, we're just gonna come along the edges to where it's all messed up, because all up here, from basically here this way, and honestly about here this way is good. So we're just going to cut these off all the way down and cut the backside off if it's bad and replace that, because even most of the side is in excellent condition. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. So I brought the truck today and I forgot to bring my Sawzall and all kinds of other things. So basically I went around and pulled up all the stuff for the carpet, which was a lot, and I'm just figuring out where to cut the floor and everything, but I think it's going good overall. The wire to all the lights, like for the trailer and everything, even though they cut it, I won't have to extend it much. I'm pretty happy about that. Yeah. So these lines are where I plan to cut it out. Basically it comes here across, then all this back to here will basically be cut out, and then I'm going to keep following that out, cut that out. We're going to leave this because it's still good. And we're going to cut this section out here. And After we cut out here, we're gonna start cutting all the way throughout here. Stop there, we'll go all the way across, whatever. This is all pretty good. I gotta make sure. Then we're gonna come along the edge, all the way down. We're gonna keep the front part as much as possible. We might cut out, but then right here definitely needs cut out. All this needs cut out to here. So that's what it's looking like. So today I'm going to be sweeping all this stuff up. I brought a bucket so I can actually dump the trash out. And then we're going to start working, probably cutting back to here, I'm guessing. And work all the way up front. And then do this side and cut across here as well. If I can accomplish that today, I'll actually be very happy because it's actually a longer process than I thought. Yeah, we've actually been out here about 3 days, 2 to 3 hours each day. And one day I forgot tools, as I mentioned before, so I had to just pull through nails and do all that stuff. But once we actually start getting the wires up and everything after the floor's done, it's going to be a lot more exciting and it's going to be funner. So, all right, cleaned it up. Took about 20 minutes, but looks better. So I wanted to show you this I've been working on. All the wood is rotten and had cut around this part here. It's actually supposed to be way up here, okay? And I guess the wood's supposed to hold it in. I'm going to actually weld it on right here once they get to that point. So I had to cut off the rotten part of that wood there. And now I'm going outside, which I'll show you. And the whole thing will come down. See how I undid that side? I just undo these and the whole thing will come down. So let me do that. Okay, it might take a little bit more work.